Hi, my name is Natalia Willett, and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And today I want to talk to you about brokers' liens. So, several of you hold a real estate license in the investing world, and a couple of you are wondering whether you have the ability to place a lien when there are proceeds in a sale transaction and the sale has taken place and the owner is not paying you for your services. So, the Florida statutes have created in Chapter 475 a subsection that provides for you to be able to lien or create a lien on the proceeds of the sale when you have entered into a transaction with the owner of property who is selling it, and it actually whatever steps are necessary for you to earn your commission under your contract have actually taken place. So, a few things to know about this particular statute. Number one, it applies to commercial transactions. This is not relevant to residential property. You are allowed to place a lien on those proceeds of the sale if it is relating to commercial property. Number two, you have to give written notice, and you have to give written notice within the time period prescribed by the statute for them to know. And notice is not just to the owner of the property that, hey, you are intending to place a lien based on the contractual arrangement that you had, but you also have to give notice to the title company within 1 day of closing, if you know who the title company is. So those are relevant aspects of that statute to keep in mind. Once you have given this notice, then to perfect your lien, you go and record this same notice in the Florida statutes. And this notice is effective to the extent possible upon property owned by the owner. However, it's a little weird because the way the statute is worded, the lien itself is not a lien on the property that is being sold pursuant to this agreement. The lien is a lien on the personal property belonging to the owner. Again, it still requires recording in the Florida statutes in order for you to perfect that lien. Once that lien is recorded, it's got priority based on the recording statute. So if a mortgage is recorded prior to that, that mortgage is going to have priority. If the mortgage is recorded after that, that lien is going to have priority over that mortgage. And then it lasts for an entire year. If that within 60 days of that year coming by, what you can do then is renew it, and you can keep renewing it so long as they keep owing you the money. So it is important for you to know that you have that as a recourse, that you can lien the personal property belonging to your sellers. Another big thing to know is that if there's a brokerage agreement between the buyer and the buyer's agent, that does not equate to an agreement for which you can create a lien with the owner. So buyer, if you have an agreement with your own broker for the purchase of commercial real estate, you cannot have that be something that creates a lien upon the owner of the property being sold. Good luck out there, investors.